Okay, so we are working on this Daikin unit today. The customer complained they have no heat. This is the medical facility, and that unit is serving the hallway of the medical facility. I already set the thermostat to the heat. It's calling for the heat, and let's check. Okay, I have opened up all the panels, and the control board was flashing off high limit open alarm. And let's see here the condition of blower fan. Oh, it's broken here. The shaft is deformed. The blower wheel is deformed and broken. And here the brackets, both brackets are gone. The bearings are also gone. So we need to quote that customer a complete blower assembly replacement. We can use the housing still. The housing is intact, and we'll come back with all the part if the customer approves, and that will go from there. Okay, we are back here. The customer approved the quote of the replacement of blower assembly part, and here we got all the parts. Okay, so it's a 1-inch shaft, 2 mounting brackets, and a blower wheel and 2 bearings. Let's assemble all them together, and we'll come back after if the unit still runs better. Okay, we have taken out the pulley. There's a trick to take out the pulley. So these 2 bolt were tightened here to hold the pulley, and to take out that plate you have to tighten them here. It's a threaded hole here, and just keep tightening until the pulley loosen, and after that we use that puller to take it out. Okay, so we have put back all the parts back in. The pulley, I use the pulley, same pulley, shaft new, belt new, wheel new, and this bracket and those bearing, both of them were new. So adjusted the belt, tension is looking good and is perfect. And here are the old parts for the reference. The wheel, if you see wheel, it has a scratch mark all over on this edge. Broken bracket, broken bearing, and a deformed shaft. Okay, let's start this unit. That thermostat is already calling for the heat. Power back on. Venter motor started. Let's wait for the fire. It's gonna take a little bit, and yeah, unit fired up. It's gonna take, now the next step gonna be the blower. Already checked the other thing, like filters were cleaned, heat exchanger was pretty good, and we have, oh, there it is, looks good. So I use the old housing, so that's why I have shifted the whole mounting hole a little bit, but the alignment was okay. Everything is looking perfect. So that was a Daikin rooftop. We rarely see here in Canada Daikin. Okay, that's it.